Welcome to my channel. In this video I am sharing how to refill black cartridge in HP DeskJet 1212 single function inkjet color printer. You can see that the black cartridge is empty as printer cannot complete the printing process. Now carefully remove the black cartridge. Hold the cartridge in this way and don't touch the copper process part. If it get damaged, printer won't recognize cartridge. Remove the sticker carefully. I tried refilling the cartridge several times, so I thought of sharing that we can refill the cartridge. I tried several times, so original sticker is removed. The cartridge is HP 805. I suggest to buy original HP ink, that is GT53XL. Got this from Amazon and you can check the description for the link. To refill the cartridge, we need 2.5 ml syringe and the needle. First, remove air from the syringe. Now, fill the syringe with ink. Now we have loaded the syringe with 2.5 ml ink. Watch carefully, we have to fill the ink in the hole where I have marked in red. Hope now everyone got the idea where to fill the ink. Insert the needle almost half inch into the hole as I have done and push the ink into the cartridge. .5 ml ink is more than enough, and you will come to know once the cartridge is filled. You can see I have marked. Wipe the extra ink with the tissue paper. Keep the cartridge in the tilted position so that extra ink will flow out, and be careful that you are not supposed to touch the copper process part. It is clearly visible that extra ink is flowing out. And no need to tap, you have to keep in the tilted position for 5 to 6 minutes. Now you can see the ink is not leaking. Now the cartridge can be fixed to the printer. Before fixing the cartridge to the printer, you have to seal the holes with insulation tape, which I have shown in the inbox. In the whole process, you have to hold the cartridge in the same way and should not touch the copper process part. Now our cartridge is ready and we have to insert the cartridge into the printer carefully. Now let's check whether the printer is working or not. It's visible that it's working. Before buying this product from Amazon, I checked the reviews. Most of the comments were negative, but I thought to give it a try and I am satisfied with this product. Nowadays, online classes are going on and this is helpful for printing worksheets and all instantly while classes are going on. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.